Hey there, chart friends. Lamont here from Chart Guys, checking in on the on electric vehicles and NEE. Okay, let's see. So starting off with Tesla. Okay, I guess I was looking a bit too pessimistic there, too bearish there. We did not even get close to our potential trade zone there, and I was just looking for some potential fills in hourly oversold again. So, pretty uneventful day in Tesla after the bounce day yesterday, just pretty much sideways, maintaining the pre-market range. So, let's see. I suppose whenever we pull back, we'll just be looking for a healthy hourly high or low. Anything over, well, I guess, no. We'll just be waiting for this EQ to break, really. It's like a 5-minute EQ, I suppose. Yeah, just kind of sideways, very choppy in this equilibrium pattern. Not even terribly clean EQ pattern. But whatever the case may be, we are just waiting for this range to break tomorrow. And if we, very likely to break tomorrow, if we are to break this bullish, bears will be scouting a daily lower high, and we could be playing off this range again, as long as the hourly RSI is overbought. So we're looking for that same trade, just like over there, making sure that our hourly is extended. So adjust the levels accordingly for tomorrow, but just as a general idea, we'll be looking for something like this, hourly overbought into this zone. Will be a short until we break this daily, weekly range. All right. And if we were to break down, we could also be bottom fishing the range. I'm not sure where my box went. I only had like a box down here at some point, but either way, we can be looking for these range plays. Okay. So if the hourly were to get extended down here, just like that trade set up yesterday, we'll be looking for that as well. And because we are just in that weekly EQ, we're just playing the range, just looking to play some range. Okay, so little something for everybody. Weekly EQ could probably go out for a couple more weeks, honestly. This could continue to tighten up. Yeah, could continue to tighten up. I would say easily 3 more weeks. Could tighten up. We'll see. Either way, while we're range bound, we'll play the range. Simple as that. So daily lower high on watch, and potentially a daily higher low. Anything over 379.11 would be one, just in case this one is not our daily higher low. Could not be set yet. We're not sure. Although there is the hourly, we did get the hourly trend change. It's not very confidence inspiring. There was not a lot of follow through after breaking this higher high over here. So, yep, much it. Alrighty then. Okay, so NEO trade highlighted yesterday. Nice, perfect 3 fills, hit target. Bears can be looking for the backtest of this channel as a potential area to short off of. Obviously, this short was no good. Oh, wait. That short was no good, but this level is still in play. Now, you know what? I can just bring them back. Oof. All right, they're gone forever. So, something like this, perhaps, in hourly overbought conditions. Not a bad place to be looking short, but of course, always caution when you are shorting blue sky bulls, just like plug. Be cautious. And honestly, if I'm being completely honest, I don't think I would have, this trade would have played out so perfectly if I had taken it live. I likely would have adjusted these levels because I don't think the 5-minute was that extended yet. First fill here. Yeah, so personally, let's see. Would we have started looking for? So it's very unlikely that I would have gotten 3 fills. If anything, I probably would have gotten like 1 or 2 fills. I would have moved it down, making sure that my last fill is pretty extreme, although 11 is actually pretty extreme. There. Hard to say without looking back. I suppose we could just look back. Let's see. So we have this open here. Yeah. I Actually, there was no time to react. So no, that trade played out perfectly. Excellent. So we would have kept our levels right there, knowing that 5 minute would have been extended down there. And so good trade. So now what are we looking out for? So now we are looking out for a potential pivot against resistances here. And whenever the bulls pull back, they will be looking for a healthy hourly high or low. Anything over 38.64 would be a daily high or low. I mean, an hourly high or low. We want to just make sure we're doing our shopping again in 5 minute extension. So something like this. See, there's always congestion here, right? So not a bad place. Or so something like that, perhaps, for a potential hourly high or low. I just want to make sure that we are not. Oh, we are in sideways. Right. So because we're kind of chopping about, I'm a bit more apprehensive. Trends within have been okay. No, I feel fine about this. Okay, so 5 minute oversold conditions into this area for a potential hourly high or low. Trade is on deck, and definitely take profits before that high gets tested. Partial profits. Alrighty, let's see. Next. Oh wow, NKLA having a nice strong day, confirmed the hourly trend change in a big way, attempting this wedge breakout. I think this wedge resistance breakout, but rejected right from the pivot for the month. Really good level to play off of. Anyway, so whenever we are pulling back now, the bulls will be scouting for a healthy hourly high or low. Anything over 1802 will be one. We just want to make sure we're doing so for that in 5 minute oversold conditions. So something. Again, we just want to adjust accordingly based on the open tomorrow. So if the bulls can show up tomorrow, print a higher low over 1802 and break to a higher high over 2119, they will continue this hourly trend and see some more daily bounce follow through, and have bears looking up at this little last lower high, 2730. I would anticipate a lower high before reaching 2730. Okay. So hourly higher low on deck tomorrow, and in the near term future, if the bulls are able to see some more follow through, we'll be looking at 2730 resistance. WKHS is in the range. So trying to get over this range. Let's see, does this look kind of wedgy? I mean, it doesn't look great. See, off of these closes, 2, 3, you can see there's a good trend line here, and then you have a potential wedge bottom like that drawn by the closes. So potentially a wedge in this resistance area. If the hourly were to get extended near the top side of this range, I would no problem looking for a potential short. And if it were to get rejected, then I would anticipate we could at least get to the mid area of the range and potentially even to the lower end of the range. Let's see. That being said, bulls held up okay today. Although this hourly higher high with very little follow through is a bit of a red flag. And now, in regards to bullish on the daily time frame, bulls can be scouting for a daily higher low over 1652, but if we were to reject from here, I would care more about the range. So these two green bars. NEE, let's see. Okie dokie. So did not get into. Oh, I guess did. We did get into our short area, our short target. I mean, let's see. Got this lower fill here and offered you a bit of gains if you took that short. But not exactly what you want to see. Ideally, when you take short, you want to see some more momentum. The bulls are just looking to set a healthy hourly higher low at 77.15. Looks like they did so in after hours. So the hourly trend is still very healthy, and we're maintaining this previous resistance, this previous channel resistance as support. So a decent look for the bulls right now. Obviously, we didn't get anywhere near this lower trade setup, which is just bottom fishing that channel support and previous price action to the left with hourly extension. So we'll just take that away for now. So hopefully you covered some of your position if you took this short and have a stop like right above this high or something. So that being said, if we could get hourly extension again into these resistances up here, I don't think that's a bad place to look for another potential short. But if NEE starts to get strong, start looking like an all-time high bull again, then of course you will want to be a bit more cautious with any shorts. Oh, let's see. And really, even if we were to start pulling back, we would just be looking for a healthy daily higher low, anything over $73 being one. I don't really consider this one much of a meaningful higher low. Just one little candle pullback, a break with no follow through. So this is a really big pivot to me, is $73. And the hourly time frame. Ideally for bulls, they'll show up tomorrow, defend this low of 77.15, break to a higher high of 78.38 to see more daily bounce follow through and have bear scouting for that lower high potential against 83.34. Okay, that about wraps it up. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all soon.